Hello, this is the Magic Leap green box demo. As you can see, I've loaded up the green box from the online repository, and I am currently in calibration mode. So during calibration mode, I can move, rotate, or scale the object, whichever way I want. And you'd want to do this to overlay the model on top of its real-world counterpart. So you can assume that the green box in this instance is laid up against the wall. So I'd put it here, and I'd make it so all of the components are overlaid where I would want them to be. Once that's all done, I can just hit the check mark here to confirm my placement, and I can begin the steps. So, welcome to the green box instructions. I move on. You can see you can start with a mechanical step. I can move this panel down here. So this step essentially just tells me to attach a component to another component. In this case, it is this thing here onto the base. And so in real life, I would have this piece off somewhere in the side. And these instructions here would tell me how to install it. And if I want to, I can just hit this highlight toggle to bring up the full model if I want to. Close that and move on to the next step. So the next step is a wiring step. As you can see here, I can see exactly how I want the wire to look once it's fully wired up. And again, I can toggle the full model if I want to. And I can also just move this to the side over here. Moving on to the next step, we have a snapshot step. So in this case, you want to show a particular state of the model. In this case, there's an animation, and we want to attach this cylinder to the model or to the green box. Go back, see the cylinder, and once that's attached or snapped on, complete the steps. And if you've missed anything, we can always go back. Say I didn't attach this component right, I can go back and I can look at the instructions and the model itself to make sure I did everything right. And that's the end of the simulation.